How to set price and currency on WooCommerce for free. Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be discussing how you can set up customized prices for products on WooCommerce when you are working in Elementor. So if you go onto your WooCommerce site or your WordPress site and you take a look at any of your products, so I will view this product over here, you will see that the price is displayed with a certain currency. Now, if you edit that product, if you go into the options to edit that product, the price you will see if I scroll down can be changed, but it does not give me the option for currencies. So, how can we alter currencies in WooCommerce price displays? Because I want the currency to be displayed differently for the region that this page is displayed too. So if someone from Canada is viewing the site, I want them to see the price in Canadian dollars. If someone from the UK is viewing it, I want them to be able to see it in pounds. To do that, we are going to be using a free plugin. Now, this is a third-party plugin that you can use to add currencies that are based upon the viewership. So with a particular list that they have, if the country is within that list, the default currency for that particular region will appear for your customers. So let's jump right in. To get started, open up your WordPress dashboard and then click on plugins on the left. Click on add new plugin over here. And once you click on add new plugin, you are going to search for price based or WooCommerce like this, and you will see price-based country for WooCommerce. This is by Oscar Gear, and you are going to click on install now. Once you click on install now, you're going to click on activate, and it only takes a couple of seconds to install. Now, once you click on activate, you will be able to see this particular application is going to be integrated. So if we go into our installed plugins over here, we should be able to see this currency app. So now it is currently activated and we can proceed with our WooCommerce add-on. So this is a add-on which is going to help us in going into currency settings. So now if I go into WooCommerce over here, and once I go into WooCommerce, you will see we have our default settings right as they are. So you can do your customers reports. And then if you go into settings over here, you have products. Now, if I go into products, I have just basic info about the product ratings and all that, as well as the dimension units, the shop pages. Then you also have your shipping and then payments. So with payments, you will have your direct payment method. So let's say I want to enable this payment method. And then after that, you also have, now you guys will see your price-based country integration will set this up. You will have to click on continue over here. Now, after that, you will have a license key from the MaxMind to access this database. So you will see a certain link that is going to help you in location. So we are going to click on accept all. And once we do that, we are going to, you will see your geolocation integration. We're going to return to WordPress. And once you return to WordPress, we are going to go into WooCommerce. It currently hasn't been integrated. We're going to go back into our integration, click on continue. And we're going to go into MaxMind, and in MaxMind, you will see the MaxMind location, enabling your geolocation and creating a MaxMind key. So for that, you have to create an account on MaxMind and get a license key. Now for that, we are going to sign up. This includes providing your full name and then your company. Then you are going to add your industry. So this is just a manufacturing industry, your intended use, and then your email address like this. And once you do that, you will be able to see some optional questions. And then you have the planning of using the data. Click on continue just for my site listings. And then click on continue over here and And now once we click on continue, we should be able to enter our username here like so, and then click on next, and then we can create our password. Now it has rendered our password incorrect. We're just gonna proceed with our password over here. And now this is a account activation link that we have to use to set up our account. So we're going to follow this link and we're going to set up a suitable password to get our licensing key, like so. Reset your password, and once you have done that, you are going to sign into your account like this. And once we have signed into our account, it's time to enter our verification code. So you will receive a verification code in your mail, like so. We should have it. So here is our access code. We're going to copy this and then paste that here and then click on verify. Once we click on verify, you will see manage a license key. Click on generate new license key and click on confirm. Now copy this license key and you can proceed with your setup wizard. Click on paste and then click on continue. So it says that our license key is inaccurate, but you will see a prompt at the bottom that tells you that new licenses take up to 5 minutes to be activated. So you might have to wait a couple of minutes, and once that has been completed, you will be able to customize your pricing. Now, I'm going to wait a couple of minutes to complete my own setup. So it took around 3 minutes for our license key to be activated, and we are going to load price of products using JavaScript. You can change this option if you're not sure and later on modify this, but we're gonna proceed, and then we're just gonna click on add pricing zone. Once you click on pricing zone, you will be led back to WooCommerce, and in WooCommerce, you will see a new section in your WooCommerce settings will be added called pricing zones. In pricing zones, if you scroll down, you have general, and then you can set up zones. So let's say I want to set up zones for the USA, and I can go into countries over here, and we are going to search for the United States. Yeah, and the United States minor outlying islands as well. And then I will click on these countries are inside the zone. Customers will be matched against these countries. Now, the currency I want to display for them are American dollars. So I'll just search for dollars, and we're gonna search for dollars, Canadian dollars. Where are you? Yeah, US dollar. I'm going to select that, and we have a exchange rate that we're going to add. You can configure this automatically if you have the pro version, but I will have to add that myself. Then below that, click on save changes. Now, once I save these changes, my new price will be displayed for US customers. And an easy way to confirm whether or not this is actually working is by using a VPN if you're not sure. So you can just cross check it. I'll open this up in my own browser over here, and I'll view it right now to show you guys the current price. And now let's take a look at the price if I choose to open this up with a VPN. Now, currently I am logged on to my WordPress account, so it might not do the price change instantaneously, but you will see that once the price changes have settled in and you open this up on a new browser, you would be able to see the difference in the pricing of your product. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.